Hi, this is Charlie from Rubech IT, and welcome back to another Acumatica video. Today, we'll be investigating how to create sales orders inside the system. Continuing from where we left off in our previous video on purchasing stock items, the first thing that I'm going to do here is navigate to our packaging tab where we can set the dimensions of our item. So I'm going to give it a length, height, and width here. We're going to set that unit of measurement to centimeters, and we're going to set our weight to 1 pound. Additionally, since we purchased the item for $10 previously, I'm going to go ahead and mark up our price in order to get a profit on this item. Now I'll save this record with Control S. And for this video today, I'm going to show you how to create a sales order starting from a sales quote. So let's jump over to that. Now here we are in this sales quote record that I've created for this demonstration. And as you can see, it's currently pending approval. So as the admin, I'll go ahead and request approval, which will automatically approve it. And then using the ellipses, I can go ahead and convert it into an order. Now we've begun the sales order creation process, and as you can see, all of our information about our item that we are selling has been moved directly from the sales quote into our sales order, as well as all of our customer information. Now it's worth noting on both the sales quote stage and the sales order stage, we can add multiple items into a single order, as well as items from different warehouses, which can be a huge time saver. Notice as well that the address we are shipping to has been automatically filled from our customer record. I can navigate to our shipping page where we can choose between our available shipping providers. Acumatica has a built-in shop for rates feature, which will allow you to view different providers' rates based on the size and weight of your package. And Acumatica also provides integration with third-party shipping providers, such as those that do LTL. I'm going to go ahead and choose FedEx Overnight for our shipping method. Quickly review our sales order on the details page to make sure everything looks all right. And now we can go ahead and create shipment. And now once again, all of our information has been copied over from our sales order into our shipping record, including our shipping provider. Now in preparing our shipment, we can click the ellipses and print a pick list for our order, which will give us a document containing the items we're going to ship. And we can go ahead and create a package that is going to hold our items. Now we can print the shipment confirmation, or we can directly email it to the customer without leaving the Acumatica environment. Our next step would be to prepare an invoice. And here on our invoice record, we can release the invoice. And using the ellipses, we can again either print the invoice, which looks like this, or again, can email it directly to our customer, which would be performed by our accounts receivable clerk, along with other options like to correct or cancel our invoice. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in seeing more Acumatica videos, please subscribe to our YouTube, Rubech IT. And if you want to see more about how Acumatica can benefit your business, please send us an email at contact@rubech.tech and scan the QR code on screen to follow all our socials. Thank you again and have a great day.